guys, welcome to Taste to Explore. My name is Darlene, and today, my friends, I have for you an easy one-pot meal. We are making Spanish yellow rice with shrimps. Delicious. Perfect combination of flavor and seafood all together in a pot with rice. I mean, this is perfect with a simple salad on the side, and you got yourself a delicious meal that you can have whenever. Now, the ingredients are really simple and easy, and this is a perfect weeknight meal. This is a perfect meal for whenever, even wonderful to entertain with if you want it to. So right now we're going to go over the simple ingredients, and we're going to get this started. So now let's begin. Alright guys, now let's begin. Right here I have 3 cups of long grain rice that's already washed. Now right here is like my sofrito blend. I have a half a cup all around of red peppers, green peppers, cilantro, and red onion. I have a half a cup of corn oil. I have 1 tablespoon of fresh garlic. I have here 1 pound of jumbo shrimp with its peel, and this is already deveined and washed. Right here I have about 2 tablespoons olives with its brine, and then right here I have my spices, salt to taste, a half a teaspoon of cumin, 1 teaspoon of ground coriander. I have 1 bay leaf and 1 packet of sazon. And I have 2 tablespoons of tomato paste. And then I'm going to have some water. I'm going to show you how to do a stock with this. And then that's it. Let's begin. Alright guys, now let's begin making our shrimp stock. Now, you don't need to do this, but this will make our rice really flavorful. So right now, I have 3 cups of water, and I am going to put my shrimp shells to boil, and this will produce our stock. Now, this is just going to boil maybe for 10 minutes, nothing too extremely long, but like I said, you can skip this step if you don't have any, if you buy your shrimps without the skins on it, but this will definitely help flavor up our dish, and it's going to be absolutely delicious. And what we're going to do is, once it starts boiling, allow it to simmer for about 10 minutes, then we're going to remove the shells and hold on to the shrimp stock, and I'm going to show you what else to do with them. Alright guys, so it's been 10 minutes and we have some delicious broth going on here. And right now I'm just going to now discard all the shells because it did its job. You can throw it away and just keep this wonderful broth. And now we're going to continue on with this recipe. Continuing on with the recipe, no need to wash the pot. Now I'm just going to pour some of my oil. And before that gets piping hot, I want to saute my vegetables, which it will be like the sofrito if you didn't have any. Which I decided to do it this way because I wanted to really enhance fresh flavors in this dish. And if you do have sofrito on hand, hey, you can mix it in with here, or you can use either or. Do it this way or use your sofrito, whichever you like. Now I'm going to put in the fresh garlic. I mean, this is really a delicious meal. I'm actually making this for my husband, and this is his favorite. So yeah, this is not all for him, of course, but you know, this is for him. So after I'm getting this nice and sauteed, and I'm gonna say maybe for a minute or 2 before I put the next ingredient. It's smelling good, looking good. And now I'm gonna put in the olives with its brine. And next tomato paste. This is going to give it a nice color, rich flavor. I prefer this better than the tomato sauce, but if you don't have tomato paste, of course you can use it. Now we're going to put our bay leaf, our spices, then the rice. Now I left the shrimps for last because I don't want to overcook them. So I'm leaving that for last to making sure that I have everything in first, and then I will put my shrimps in. I'm going to put in my shrimp broth now. Smells so good. Smells so good. Look at that color. So good. Looks delicious already. Let's put in our shrimps to this wonderful flavored broth. And you can use whatever shrimp size you want. I just used the big guys because my husband loves this dish. And I want him to really enjoy the shrimps. You know, shrimps tend to shrink down a little bit, so it's going to shrink down. And I'm going to wait till the water. Alright, so I'm waiting for the water to dry up a little bit. I'm going to show you how that is. And then we're going to turn it and we're going to put the lid on, and I'll show you how it looks after I plate it. See you right Alright guys, so you see how the water had dried up. I am going to give a nice stir from the bottom up. Yes, look at that. Right after you see that there is no more water, but my shrimps are not quite done yet. They're actually a little bit halfway cooked, if you can say. They're like about halfway cooked, which is fine because the rice is not done yet neither. I'm going to put a lid. I'm going to put down my flame because I had originally started out with medium high, and now I'm going to put low, put a lid on this and let it cook, finish cooking down. It's going to steam up. It's going to be delicious. It's going to be done. And then I'm just going to make a simple salad, and then we're going to plate this, and I'm going to show you how it looks. See you when this is all done. Alright my friends, look at the goodness. It is done. It smells insane. Look at those big old shrimp cooked to perfection. Look at my rice. It looks nice and tender and it's just ready to go. Wow, look at that guys. It smells so good. Alright, so I'm going to plate up this bad boy and I'm going to show you. Then of course this plate wouldn't be tasty without some delicious avocados on the side. And then that's it my friends. It's time to dig in and to enjoy this wonderful dish. Alright, I'm going to go serve this to him and we're going to close out. Alright guys, so right now my husband is enjoying his plate of food, and that's just about it. So thank you so much guys for joining me today. You know it's always a pleasure having you. Again, don't forget that I will leave the ingredients to this recipe down in the description box below, and of course the links to my social media sites. Guys, please come and follow me there. Join the gang. You know, I really have fun posting and chatting with anybody and everybody that leaves me a comment. So thank you once again, and I will see you again, and stay blessed. Take care. Bye bye.